The recording begins, I think. Yes.
All right. I didn't really wash the spoon properly, but I haven't gotten sick yet, so I don't really give a shit. All right, so you get your tortillas on the plate here. Um, and you get not hamburger meat. You thought I was gonna get you with the hamburger meat. Nah, we got chili in here. We got chili in here.
Bet.
So you want to take the chili, and you want to put it on the half that is like not has a doesn't have the other tortilla under it
Yep.
for obvious reasons. So I'm going to explain this as if you're a 2-year-old because this is just so everybody can understand it here.
Yep.
And you want to like smush the meat down. Put as much meat as you want, but don't like overfill it. Obviously, like for me, this is about good amount of meat for me. Good amount.
That does look good, yeah.
Um, then you want to just repeat that on the other ones. You've seen I just folded it open like a book, so do the same thing. Smush it down so it like kind of spreads out, so the microwave can heat it up a little better. I don't like to preheat my meat or my chili because it kind of like I don't know, it feels like I don't believe that a microwave will mess shit up, but I still just like don't want to do that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
All right.
Alright, there we go.
That should be a good amount of meat then. I only add a little bit more because I'm kind of OC. I kind of have like some sort of OCD when it comes to how my shit looks. So let me take this. Let me flip my camera around here since I don't have the file that's propped up anymore. You come in the microwave. Put it in the microwave.
He has a
Make sure the shit's
microwave.
closed. Make sure the shit's closed
Yep.
like this. And then I usually do 1:30, but I'm gonna do 2 minutes this time, just to experiment a little bit. But put it anywhere in there for either 1:30 or 2 minutes, and then with the excess meat that's on the spoon, you kind of just
Free food.
yeah. But then you gotta rinse the spoon off because we're gonna reuse the spoon. So just bro is actually like loving this. I just put it. This is a paper towel I washed the spoon with, so I'm just gonna set it on there.
It's just
Now,
because it's so
while we wait
random.
for this for another minute, while we wait for that for another minute, we're gonna come. No, we're not gonna go that way. We're gonna go this way. Actually, we're gonna go into this room right here, and we're just gonna kind of, yeah, boy, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Has literally every
Look at this
stuffed
one right
animal
here.
known
Look at
to
this
man.
one. Look at this one, bro. Oh my goodness. That's just the FNAF corner. But if you thought that was a lot,
And then you probably got
this is a bag full of plushies that need to get washed.
Oh my god.
And then you got all my murder drone stuff there.
Yep.
You got my amazing digital circus stuff here. You got other SMG4 stuff here. Has Been Hotel.
All of it.
Hell of a boss. And then the rest is like somewhat sorted, but like somewhat unsorted at the same time. Like there's still some Has Been Hotel stuff just sitting around, and some SMG4 stuff sitting around because I just got them. This hat is part of this one. Oh, here's the best one I got right here. If you know, you know.
Mm-hmm.
If you know, you know. Though, if you've been on the internet for at all, you know. Okay, so the chili in the burrito is done warming up.
I
So
can hear the microwave.
we come over here. Leave it in the microwave from now because we're gonna get all the ingredients out of the fridge. All right. So first things first, you want to get some of this avocado cilantro sauce. It is really good. I can't taste it, but it's still good.
Yo, W tutorial
You wanna
for
get-
real.
I just like putting condiments on my food. You get your Fiesta blend cheese here. We almost need a new bag of this. What else do I get? You see this Tostitos salsa right here?
Yeah.
We're gonna use that.
Nice.
Then get this cottage cheese, and don't actually get cottage cheese. What the fuck's wrong with you? Um, sour cream. If you don't like sour cream, optional. But if you don't like anything, it's optional. But these are like how I do it. Real talk though, if you don't like sour cream, you haven't had sour cream. So, um, we're gonna open. We're gonna open the microwave again now that we have all of our ingredients out.
Should be nice
And this
and
spoon,
hot.
I forgot to put this away. So please make sure to put your meat away when you're done with it. Obviously. If you want some hot sauce, I do got a collection of hot sauce in my fridge. However, this is not my hot sauce. This is my boyfriend's hot sauce, and I'm not someone who enjoys hot sauce very often.
Uh-huh.
There is some shit that you will wake up regretting your life's decisions the next morning in there. So
Alright.
now we're gonna get the food out.
Should be steaming.
We're gonna put it over here so I can actually like show this off pretty efficiently. We're gonna put this back here. We're gonna move this out the way. If this isn't dry, you got a paper towel. So what are you doing?
If you don't have paper towels, what are you doing with your life?
I'm gonna get the sour cream first. We're gonna open this up. This is the perfect burrito for meat. So you gotta stir it around a little bit just to make sure all that water is mixed in, because it will separate out if you leave it untouched. Same thing happens with yogurt and like French onion dip and all that. So it's pretty normal thing to have to do here. You're gonna get a big glob and you're just gonna smack it on.
Yep.
Just like that. Then you're gonna spread it out with the spoon.
Multi-purpose spoon.
You're doing this on the side that does have the other one under it.
Mm-hmm.
This is so the meat is on this side, and when you're done spreading it about, only try to get all of it off you can. That part's optional. You're gonna put this back in for now. Make sure that none of the hamburger meat gets on the spoon, or like the hamburger juice gets on the spoon. But not a lot got on it, so I'm not gonna worry about it. You're gonna lift the side with the sour cream up, and you're gonna just smack it on the meat.
Bang.
You're gonna lift it up, the tortilla up entirely, and turn it around, so that now the meat is on top.
Mm-hmm. That's called
It's gonna be sour
physics.
cream on this side a little bit, as you can see, but that is not a problem. Now we're gonna do it the same thing with the other one to get rid of the sour cream.
To be fair,
From
the
our
meat
list
was
of-
already on that side, so why does it matter?
And then we're gonna put the sour cream on this burrito. This is the one where you don't really need to worry about the hamburger juice being on it, because you have all the sour cream you need already on the burrito. So what does it matter? I'm making two here, so that's why. This tutorial works for any number of burritos, but on the it's only the last one where you got to worry about the hamburger juice or like the chili juice, whatever. Oh shit! I don't know if I got caught on video, but some sour cream just rocketed towards me. All right, we're done with the sour cream now. Just try to get as much of it off. Once you're done with the sour cream, a good tip to
I think he likes sour cream, guys.
yeah, sour cream is really fucking good. Put the sour cream away when you're done with it. It is made with dairy. It cannot be out for long periods of time. Now we're gonna grab our cheese. Oh, I forgot to flip this around. Doesn't matter. You can flip it around after you put it away. You can flip it around before you put it away. Doesn't matter. I'm expecting there to be cuts when necessary, by the way.
All right.
If you want to upload this with raw footage, you go ahead, though. I don't care.
I probably will. It just adds more context.
Um,
Hold up. We're
Get
in
out,
the middle
hey,
of a tutorial.
burrito tutorial. Mute yourself.
Who even is
Nah,
it?
you don't. It's Eden.
Eden? Oh my god.
Anything spoken to is supposed to be related to the burritos.
Yes.
No other talk.
It must be
Right
the
now.
burrito.
We're grabbing the Fiesta cheese, and we're gonna get a whole handful of this, and we're just gonna sprinkle it on across evenly. You want to evenly distribute everything. I don't know if I mentioned that with the sour cream, though I said spread it across, so I don't think that really matters. But you do want to evenly distribute. If you want to add a little bit extra cheese because you're lactose intolerant, go ahead.
Because you're lactose intolerant.
I have a brother who's intolerant, and he eats more cheese than I do. So this man drinks eggnog, knowing he's gonna have issues later because he likes eggnog that much.
Valid.
No, most people that are lactose intolerant drown themselves in cheese, and they are absolutely prepared for the punishment.
Exactly. Next thing you want to do is you want to grab this avocado cilantro that I told you about. If you don't have this in your area, grab some guacamole or something. I don't know. Make some guacamole with cilantro. That's probably exactly what this is in real talk. Real talk, anyway. And you want to spread this across, like make a good line across the burrito. Then you're gonna grab the salsa. I'm using Tostitos because that's what I have, and I don't know if you want to shake it up a little bit so that all the juices are mixed together. And then it doesn't want to open, so you gotta.
You gotta really, really pull at it. Go on.
Okay, now it's open.
Is there something funny to you? Huh? This is a serious matter, NFS.
You also want to
Burrito
spread this.
making is a serious matter.
You can also spread that across the burrito. I put a lot on here. I'm not even gonna lie.
I'm dying.
Now, other burrito.
Okay.
If you want to add a little bit extra in here because you want a little bit extra, be my guest. I'm not gonna complain.
That had no reason to be that funny, but okay.
Burrito making is a fucking art. Stop laughing about it.
It was so exaggerated. That's why. Okay, I'm relaxed.
Alright, that's enough cheese. And I'm just gonna speed run this burrito because burrito speed run.
Any percent speedrun category.
Any percent burrito speedrun, yeah.
Actually, I think any percent would mean you don't cook it.
6 seconds. That was very poorly made because it was an 80% speed run.
Nah, this is the 100% category.
This is the 100%. 100%. No, this is not 100% all achievements. You'll see why in a second here.
This is like
All right.
99%.
I might have put a little too much salt on that one too, but that doesn't matter. Now that we're done with the ingredients, before we do anything else, we're gonna put everything back in the fridge that is still out.
Alright, cool.
So this cheese, we had cheese go moldy on us before. So, and it was like whole half the bag that we had to throw out.
Cheese tends to do that.
So you want to try to airtight that as much as possible. And these, just put them exactly where you got them.
Yay!
That other that bottle of avocado cilantro I had is running out, so we do have a second bottle. Make sure you have your ingredients stocked up.
Bro just spawned a second bottle. I didn't even notice that was in the fridge the first time.
All right, now here's a confession I have. I don't know how to roll a burrito.
Alright.
How the fuck do you roll? It's not that fucking hard.
Is this my video or your video?
This is Dreamer's tutorial. You must do it his way, otherwise it's wrong. And then it's the wrong
How the fuck are
tutorial.
you gonna how the fuck are you gonna make a tutorial if you don't know how to fucking do a step?
You'll see. He'll find
Look.
a way.
Huh?
Does it matter? Can I eat it? Does it? No, exactly.
It is edible.
All right. We're gonna. What I do specifically is because I like to have an open end. That might just be a soft shell taco. I don't fucking
So
know.
you might just make it like so it's
I like
just a
doing it
taco
that way
basically.
too.
You're gonna make fun of me without knowing how I do it and say, "Yeah, that's exactly how I do it."
You're saying I don't know how to roll a burrito. Sometimes if you want a burrito to be, if you said I don't know how to roll a wrap, I would have laughed at you.
Bro, the title of
Wrap
this is
has one
gonna
open end. Burrito is full sealed.
title of this is gonna be
Whatever.
like two idiots argue over how a burrito's meant to be made.
Halfway through. So you want to fold like one end in a little bit. It could. I don't know. That might be optional how much you want to fold it in. I'm not too entirely sure on that. I'll fold it in a little bit, and then I'll take this top corner. I also fold that in a little bit. So you'll have this like little line coming out, and then you roll it over on top. And since I had that much sour cream on it, it's gonna like stay closed because the sour cream is sticky.
So it basically acts as like a glue.
Yeah. And then there you go. That's burrito number one. You're gonna turn the plate around.
And you
You're
just
not gonna turn the plate around. Exactly how I did the other one. You want to push in and pull out towards you, like that, like so. So it like clumps up here, and then from there you're gonna pick the end that is the cleanest end, and that's the end you're gonna fold up.
Dreamer should start a cooking channel.
Barley the Burr, except it's Dreamer.
Politically correct burrito making.
There you go. Your burritos, wraps, whatever the fuck Eden wants to call it.
Yay.
Let me turn my camera around again. Perfect burritos, wraps, whatever.
They look perfect.
They look actually perfect. Now, let's do the taste test. Yay!
Alright, the fun part.
All right. Break up. And these are the exact things that I eat on my stream. These are the exact burritos I eat on my stream. So
W.
the amount of sour cream and like cheese and all that is like different each time because I'm just like picky on how the meat looks. But that meat amount could also change sometimes because of how inconsistent it is. But the burrito. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this NFS Kid video that I directed. I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.